Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify each structure in column IA. Cyclobutadiene, a 4-membered ring with 2 double bonds, 4 pi electrons, 4n where n is equal to 1. It is planar and cyclic with a continuous pi system. B. Cyclotatiatriene, cot an 8-membered ring with 4 double bonds, 8 pi electrons, 4n where n is equal to 2. It is tub-shaped, non-planar, so it does not have a continuous pi system. C. Cyclobutadiene dianion, charge -2 adds 2 electrons to cyclobutadiene's 4 pi electrons is equal to 6 pi electrons, 4n plus 2, n is equal to 1. Planar, fully conjugated. D. Cyclobutadiene dication, charge +2 removes 2 electrons from cyclobutadiene's 4 pi electrons is equal to 2 pi electrons, 4n plus 2, n is equal to 0. Planar, fully conjugated. Moving on to the next step. Classify each. A. Cyclobutadiene, 4 pi electrons is equal to 4n, n is equal to 1, anti-aromatic. Anti-aromatic compounds are highly reactive. They readily react with active metals, P, and readily dimerize at room temperature, Q, to escape anti-aromaticity. They have 4 n-pi electrons, S. Classification, anti-aromatic, kiss smiley. Matches, P, Q, S, X, B, cot 8 pi electrons but non-planar, tub shape, so not aromatic or anti-aromatic, non-aromatic, Y. It can react with active metals to form the planar aromatic cot dianion, P. It has 4 n-pi electrons in count, S, but since it is non-planar, it is non-aromatic. Matches, P, S, Y, C, cyclobutadiene dianion, 6 pi electrons is equal to 4n plus 2, n is equal to 1, planar, cyclic, fully conjugated, aromatic, W. Aromatic compounds have 4n plus 2 pi electrons, R. The dianion has a high charge density giving it a high dipole moment, Z. Matches, R, W, Z, D, cyclobutadiene dication, 2 pi electrons is equal to 4n plus 2, n is equal to 0, planar, cyclic, fully conjugated, aromatic, W. It also satisfies 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, R. The dication also has high charge giving high dipole, Z. Matches, R, W, Z. And for the final step, verify against given answer. A, P, Q, S, X, cyclobutadiene is anti-aromatic, kiss smiley, has 4 n-pi electrons, S, readily reacts with active metals, P, readily dimerizes, Q. Correct. B, P, S, Y, cot is non-aromatic, Y, has 8, is equal to 4 n-pi electrons, S, reacts with active metals to form dianion, P. Correct. C, R, W, Z, dianion is aromatic, W, 6 pi electrons is equal to 4n plus 2, R, high dipole due to -2 charge, Z. Correct. D, R, W, Z, dication is aromatic, W, 2 pi electrons is equal to 4n plus 2, R, high dipole due to +2 charge, Z. Correct. Therefore, the correct answer is AP, Q, SX, BPSY, CRW, Z, DRW, Z. The correct answer is shown on screen.